What's going on, guys? Today we're doing a 3 a.m. fidget spinner challenge with this bad boy. And also, it's going to be pretty spooky because it's 3:03 now, and I think running late might be a bit more spooky than usual. So I got my diamond sword with me. Oh wow, that just teleported. And if the ghost takes away my diamond sword, I'm going to be like, phew, phew, phew. I have my iron sword too. Whoa. So yeah, I'm pretty ready to just defend off this ghost. So yeah, let's get right into it. Ghosty, ghosty. Oh man, dude, I think this ghost is afraid. Dude. Oh, what the hell? What the hell, dude?